sound of a plastic elephant trumpeting for the 50th time in 10 minutes is a very specific kind of domestic soundtrack. If you have a toddler in the house, you know exactly what I am talking about. It usually comes from one of those bright, chunky books that seem to have a mind of their own whenever a small hand gets near them. We are talking about a heavy hitter in the world of early childhood toys, specifically a touch-activated animal book that claims to introduce 100 different creatures to your growing human. The design is clever because there are no actual mechanical buttons to break or get stuck. Instead, the pages are flat and sensitive to the lightest touch. Your child just has to tap a picture of a tiger or a dolphin to hear its name, the sound it makes, and a quick fact. It covers a lot of ground across 6 double-sided pages, moving from the leafy forest to the deep ocean and even out onto the dusty savanna. The standout feature for many families is the bilingual switch. With one quick slide, the entire book shifts from English to Spanish. For a toddler who is right in the middle of that massive language explosion around 18 months, this is huge. They are not just learning that a cow says moo, they are hearing the names in 2 different languages and connecting those sounds to a colorful image. It provides a level of engagement that a standard, static picture book simply cannot match. Of course, this level of interactivity comes with a few trade-offs that every parent should prepare for. The sensors are incredibly responsive, which is great for a frustrated toddler, but a bit much for a parent trying to keep things quiet. If you accidentally brush against it while tidying up the playroom, you might be startled by a sudden burst of animal facts. There's also the reality of repetition. Toddlers learn through doing the same thing 1,000 times, so prepare to hear the same monkey sound on a loop for the foreseeable future. While the pages themselves are thick and can handle some rough treatment, the electronics inside are not invincible. It is a fantastic tool for that specific window between 18 months and 3 years, but it likely won't be a family heirloom passed down for decades. It is a bridge to get them interested in words and sounds. It encourages them to explore on their own without needing an adult to turn every page or read every word. This independence is a secret weapon for parents who just need a few minutes of peace. It even has an automatic shutoff to save the batteries when it inevitably gets left face down on the rug. It is a solid, functional piece of gear that hits the sweet spot for early vocabulary and sensory play, making it a worthy addition to the toy bin even if it eventually drives the adults a little bit wild with its noisy enthusiasm. It is not trying to be a complex computer or a long-term curriculum. It is simply a way to make the leap from looking at a picture to understanding the name and sound associated with it. When you consider the price point and the sheer amount of content squeezed into those few pages, it is easy to see why it shows up on so many birthday registries. It turns a simple reading session into a multi-sensory event that keeps small minds racing and small fingers busy.